Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to enable the TPM 2.0 on Windows 10 so that you can install the Windows 11 on it, or whatever the reason you have. I will show you how to enable the TPM on your Windows. First step, you need to type here tpm.msc, and once you type this you can run it as admin to just reconfirm that which version you have. So when I open it, TPM manufacturer information, I have 2.0 here, but TPM is not showing up here. You might get the error, or 1.2 is showing up here. So how we can enable and check if 2.2 can be enabled on this Windows or this system or not. So let's start now. So we need to shut down or the restart our Windows to the recovery options. Go to system, then scroll down and look for advanced, and you can simply not advanced recovery options we need to look for, or we can directly press our F2 key in the Dell laptop or the BIOS key. Just click on advanced option, restart it, and simply restart it. You can also press and hold the shift key and simply restart it. Once system is restarted, this may not work if the BIOS setup or the Windows is installed with the legacy mode. So in that case you have to press the BIOS key on your computer or laptop. Now it has gone to updating firmware. Let's wait. Select your troubleshoot, then advanced options, and click on UEFI firmware settings and click on restart. Once you see this kind of windows on your laptop or system, you need to look for the security options. If any model you are using, you just need to click on the security option, and under that option TPM should be showing up here. If this is a TPM 2.0 security on, if it is off like this, so TPM should be off like this, and once you turn it on, so this is the latest laptop I'm using as of now, but in the older laptop the system or the custom configuration may look different, but anyhow you need to open or enable the TPM, and these are the key storage and other settings for that. And in some cases you can also look for the option trusted platform module, that is the full form of TPM. And once you enable that, you need to click on apply changes, save the custom as OK, and just we need to exit. And once you exit it, TPM should be enabled on your Windows. So this is how guys you can enable the TPM 2.0 on your computer. If that is not showing up here, that means that TPM 2.0 is not supported on your laptop or system. So you can go to the manufacturer website to recheck the information. So, and also guys, you need to make sure that secure boot should be enabled to use the TPM 2.0. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.